Okay, so we have everything installed and set up. We've got Git installed on our machine, we've created a GitHub account and VS Code to use as our code editor. One final bit of setup before we're ready to move on to the practical side of things is to ensure that we've configured Git. I have VS Code open. To open the integrated terminal, just click on the top menu, Terminal, New Terminal, and then this will open up the integrated terminal. It will open up Z Shell on a Mac or Command Prompt and PowerShell on a Windows. I want to see what my global Git configurations are. So to do that, all I need to do is type git config global list. This will list all of my global configurations. As you can see, I've got 3 configurations. User.name, which is my name, user.email, which is my email, and then the default branch, which is set to main. It's really important to have your name and email configured because every commit you make in Git is stamped with your name and email. This is how we know who made what change in a project. It also needs to match the email that you used to create your GitHub account because that's how GitHub links your commits to your profile. Specifying main as the default branch is also required. When you create a new repository, Git needs to know what to call the first branch, and the standard convention is main. This previously used to be master, so to make sure that it uses main as the default branch name, we've set that as the global configuration. You may or may not have these configurations set up already, but please make sure you provide your email and name and set the default branch to main. I'll show you how to do that. So to provide your name, you can type git config -- global and then user.name. And then in quotes, provide your name. So I will just provide Malvik Togadia like this. So I'm just going to enter this. It won't do anything because I've already set it. And then to set your email, you can type git config -- global and then user.email. And then in quotes, provide your email. So mine is admin@pathfinder-analytics.net. And then press enter. And then we can set the default branch name. So to do that, we can do git config -- global init.default branch. Please be aware of the casing here. B is in capitals, and then you can just provide main. And then to verify that you've set up your configurations, you can just type git config -- global -- list. And then you should see all of the configurations here. So once you've done that, we're all configured and ready to start using Git.